Hello dear fans. How to identify copper. Copper and copper-containing alloys have been known since ancient times. Copper is easy to mine, it has a relatively low melting point, which is why it became almost the first metal from which people learned to make weapons, utensils, and jewelry. Copper is quite often found in nature, both in the form of various compounds and in the form of nuggets. If you come across an ingot and want to determine if it contains copper, conduct a qualitative reaction. Necessary: chemical vessels, concentrated nitric acid, pull-out drobe, alcohol lamp or gas burner, file or scraper, ammonia solution, ammonia, pipette. Instructions. Step 1. Cut a piece of metal onto the shavings. If you want to analyze the wire, it must be cut into small pieces. Step 2. Pour concentrated nitric acid into a test tube. Place shavings or wire pieces in the same place carefully. The reaction begins almost immediately, and it requires great care and caution. It is good if it is possible to carry out this operation in a fume hood, since poisonous nitrogen oxides are released, which can cause cardiac arrest. It is very easy to see them, because they have a brown color, the so-called foxtail is obtained. Step 3. Evaporate the solution on the burner. It is also highly desirable to do this in a fume hood. At this point, not only harmless water vapor is removed, but also acid vapor and remaining nitrogen oxides. It is not necessary to completely evaporate the solution. Step 4. Pour a few drops of ammonia into the same solution. This must be done with a pipette. If you dissolve copper wire or sawdust in nitric acid, the solution will turn bright blue. Thanks for watching.